because if you expand outward, that will lead to some cooling. Helium plus plus recombines with free electrons to form helium plus. The opacity, so because if you come back to a certain temperature where you can be less excited, then you can make helium plus again from helium plus plus. The opacity plummets because not as many electrons in the mix of things anymore. The opacity plummets and previously trapped photons rush outward through the newly transparent layer. The layer contracts and reheats to 40,000 kelvins, where the whole cycle begins again. It's cyclical, it's variable, pulsating, all of that. A layer with temperature of 40,000 kelvins is near the photosphere of the star. The central regions where the fusion reactions occur at much higher temperatures are unaffected by the opacity changes far above them. Is Ben here, by the way? Where is Ben? The fusion generates energy at a steady rate. However, the changes in opacity cause the energy to be released in periodic outbursts. Think of a pot of boiling water with a heavy lid. The water evaporates at a steady rate. However, the water vapor escapes only in periodic puffs when the pressure grows high enough to lift the lid. Stars in the instability strip, like the ones we've been talking about here, the Cepheid stars and the RR Lyrae stars, and I'll show you the HR diagram where the instability strip is pointed out, and these two types of stars are close to each other on the HR diagram, which astronomers swear by. So the HR diagram is this like important thing in astronomy. Once again, the plot has luminosity in the y-axis and temperature in the x-axis. So I'll keep going. Stars in the instability strip have a helium ionization layer in which the natural period for the transition from opaque to transparent to opaque again just matches the period P for acoustic oscillations in the star. So acoustic oscillations and this helium ionization layer of the opaque to transparent, this period and the acoustic period is the same. It matches. So how very interesting. Is there some vaccine news that I know not of? Do let me know. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. What? What now? I'll keep going and then I'll Crazy Sick Wine, is that you? Is that your new username? Are you here? What the frick is happening right now? Okay, I'll keep going.